All right, so just walk into the front of this house. You're able to see we've got our air scrubbers here. This has already been post-tested. Showed that there was clean of any kind of mold. Got dehumidifiers that are in here, air scrubbers. It was an actual refrigerator leak. You can see how we seal off and contain areas that didn't have damage, not to cross-contaminate the rest of the property. Come through here. This particular loss made its way all the way into a bedroom. But you can see we set up containment barriers here. Again, not to cross-contaminate clean areas of the house. This particular slit we actually opened up so a realtor could get back in and inside the other area of the house to show it for right now until we get everything put back together. But we took out carpet and did a flood cut. Just thought this was a nice project to set up a video and show you how it looks. Not a very big one, but definitely one that's worthy of remediation.